Hey guys, it's me, the Dino, or the Shiba Taco, or whatever my name's gonna be. And I'll show you guys how to get these texture packs and shaders. Oh my god, the shadow's so weird. It's so funny. So, pretty cool packs, not gonna lie. And the water is beautiful. Oh yeah. Kinda lags my FPS though. Kinda wrecks my FPS though, but it should be good. Yeah, okay. So, in this video, I'm going to show you which packs you should get and which packs. Well, no, not which packs. I'll show you guys how to download a pack. So the packs I'm using right now are the FNAF Heads pack. It's pretty cool. Fancy Beds, Mega Rainbow Enchant for like armor and stuff. Zeus PE as my shader, and Simply Sharp times 64 as my texture pack. So, what you want to do is going to go to Safari. You're going to want to open a new tab. Go to mcpedl.com. And there's going to be mods, skins, skin packs, maps, seeds, texture packs. So you have to spend your mine coins, which is stupid because it costs money on real texture packs. You go to mcpedl.com. So, there's going to be texture packs. You can select whichever you want, or you search it up here. So I'm going to do simple. Well, simple texture pack. Oh god. Simple. Okay. Simple. No. Okay, what about simple texture pack? Because it's not going to only go into texture packs. Simple texture pack. Okay. Okay. What about paper cutout? Looks cool. Let's scroll through it. Let's see. Looks, I'll actually skip it. Next page. Okay. Ooh, already got Simply Sharp. Simplecraft, huh? Simplecraft. Should I do Simplecraft? OCD. I have that. Okay. What about Simplecraft? Let's check out Simplecraft. Simplecraft looks cool. Looks okay. Nah. Sorry, it's taking so long. Just gotta find a cool pack for me. This one. Not too bad. Actually. For the texture of the stone, though, won't get me. Is that cobblestone? No, I'll get it. What the hell? So you want to scroll down. Here you go to download resource MC pack or something. And then you're going to go to here. Download. More. And you go to open copy to Minecraft. Okay. Let's go to lobby. So it's going to start the import. And yeah. Okay, successfully imported. Here we go. And let's go to equip the texture pack. Go down to global resources. Let's take out Simply Sharp and let's put OCD. But you're gonna want to put it to the very bottom because the other ones, like Fancy Beds and FNAF Heads and Mega Rainbow Enchant, those are like add-ons. So you want to put it on the top, on the bottom, or else none of those things will count. So let's go back into the world and let's check out this pack. Yeah, okay. This is a pack. Looks really weird with the sand. With the shader. Are these moving? Okay, they're moving. Okay. So that was how to install a pack.